Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix failed to connect to Steam error code 5 in Marvel Rival. So here follow the fixes. Now first of all, before applying any fixes, check the Marvel Rivals server status. So go to Down Detector website and search for Marvel Rivals. Here you can search for Marvel Rivals and you can see the server status reported by the players in last 24 hours. As you can see that there are many server issue has been reported by many players. So I think due to server outage or server down or server might be in under maintenance, due to which we are getting this error code 5. So what you have to do, you have to just wait for the server status to get back online and then you can launch the game and check. But if server status is online and still you are getting the error code 5, then here follow the fixes. The first solution is to spam click on the continue button. So repeatedly spam click on continue button until you get in. You may not get in the game at the first attempt, but you may after spam clicking many times and eventually you will get into the game. This solution has worked for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. If still your problem is not fixed, then second solution is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Marvel Rivals game, select properties, go to install file tabs, click on verify integrity of game files, and after the verification of the files you can launch Marvel Rivals game and check error code 5 is fixed or not. If not, then the last solution is to reset your internet connection. So in Windows search type command prompt and choose run as administrator. Click yes to allow. Now here copy and paste the code one by one in the command prompt and hit enter. I have provided the code in the video description, so you can copy and paste this code from the video description. Now after entering all the command prompt, you have to restart your PC once. So restart your PC, and once your PC get restart, you can launch the game and check. This way you can fix the login error failed to connect to Steam error code 5 in Marvel Rivals game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates.